Haunting is synonymous with fluidity. When working with documents from times before, worlds daisy chain in surprising ways. Ghosts survive far beyond what you or I will be able to know or participate in, and those created in this world will continue to haunt all others. Some traces never disappear. I came here to ask questions from those who survive this place, to receive what the hauntings teach, and negotiate what translation across material properties might look like. A process that involves the necessary work of attunement, inviting inward, looking outward, sitting, waiting, cracking open. It didn't take long for them to show me their ghosts. Portals opening into more than human temporalities, collapsing and convening of timelines that usually exist in parallel to each other. Untethered, unoccupied, undisciplined land, made from shifting and slipping between worlds. Being a ghost is hard work. When they make an effort to be here, your attention is due. Here in Letters Not My Own, I'm continuously confronted by voices, stories, and memories. Over time, they become spectral, inevitably and intentionally layered. There are two voices that have visited in repetition. The conditions for their exits from this world stem from the capital, colonial, imperial systems this country as we know it was born from. And for those same reasons, the conditions of their legacies have been cared for differently. One of their ghosts, we can imagine, remains unsettled. Ghosts and hauntings flow freely, not subject to the power of choice and dismissal that valorizes some lives over others. Their very existence can be a tool to imagine life beyond the violence that created this place, and beyond the limits of living as it has been prescribed. What are the conditions that foreground this place? What are the conditions that brought and keep you here? What are the conditions we need for desirable and livable futures? When the answers returned to me, they were still breathing and beating. These ghosts have been generous with their time, stories, and energy. I share with you their silhouettes, the connections I built around them through careful, conscious, diligent acts of parsing, combing, mapping, and peeking between tears and worlds. And then the ghost said stop. A message I chose to heed, because they too deserve respect. Now, I'm at a standstill with what has been learned here.